Across Indonesia stand 7 presidential palaces, enduring symbols of leadership, unity, and national pride. Protecting these landmarks demands more than vigilance. It demands uncompromising perimeter security. That's why Indonesia's presidential palaces rely on Delta Scientific's DSC501, the world's highest-rated crash vehicle barrier. K54 certified, the DSC501 stops a 65,000-pound truck traveling 50 miles per hour, with less than 1 meter of penetration. Total stop, total control. At select palace gates, Delta's DSC720 high-security bollards stand guard, retracting instantly to allow authorized entry and locking in place for full vehicle stoppage. Each bollard withstands a 15,000-pound truck at 50 miles per hour, ASTM M50 rated, combining elegance with defense. Together, the DSC501 and DSC720 create an unbroken line of defense, discreet, rapid, and field-proven at the world's most secure sites. Delta Scientific, securing the world's most important places.